Hey everyone, today I want to talk about M1 Finance. M1 Finance. M1 Finance is an investment app that you can find in the App Store or the Google Play Store that will allow you to make monthly automatic investments into your portfolio from your bank account. And so all you do is you set it up through your bank account and you decide how much you want to allocate every month to M1 Finance, into your M1 Finance portfolio. Once you go ahead and set it up, you can also elect to have it automatic monthly contributions going into your M1 Finance portfolio. And inside your M1 Finance portfolio, you would have all the stocks or ETFs that you have chosen that you want to make investments to, depending on the amount of shares or the percentage of shares that you want. And the good thing about M1 Finance is you can elect for a percentage of whatever stock you want. And as you can see, I have some stock in Apple, AT&T, HP, Home Depot, so on and so forth. And I've elected what percent of my account that I want to go to those stocks. I can also decide if I want to make a certain amount of money inside of my account go to automatic contributions toward my account. So say I wanted to set that up to automatically distribute the money in my account towards stock purchases every month, depending on how much money I had coming in, I could set it to $500. And when $500 comes into my account, I can set that threshold to be 100. So anything over $100 would get invested, and the investments would stop once it reached that $100 threshold. You can see that this would be to your advantage if you're a person like me sometimes and you forget to go in every single month and purchase stocks. You can have your stocks already set up for you, and you can have these contributions automatically coming from your bank accounts where they will go in, and you can just click on a slider bar inside your M1 Finance account, and that slider bar will automatically take any money that comes in, of whether it's from dividends or your checking accounts or bank accounts, that comes into M1 Finance, and it will automatically distribute that money to the stocks and ETFs that you've already allocated inside of your M1 Finance portfolio. So those stocks and ETFs that you have already selected inside your M1 Finance portfolio, that money will be distributed automatically for you if you choose that election inside M1 Finance. And so you can see the breakdown inside M1 Finance. You can go in and search for any stock that's being publicly traded on the stock exchange, and you can go in and select those individual stocks and add them to your basket or your portfolio. You can also go in and search for exchange traded funds, which is a group of funds that are comparable to the S&P 500. You can go in there and you can select those exchange traded funds that you want inside your portfolio, and that money that you have elected to distribute to those exchange traded funds will automatically be applied to the percentage of shares that you have allocated inside M1 Finance. And so I love this setup. I love the look of the app especially, but I also love the desktop version of M1 Finance. You can sign into M1 Finance via desktop or via your mobile device to check on your stocks and ETFs and bonds whenever you want. And so I love it. It's versatile. They also have a feature where if you invite friends or family in to join in with you on this stock journey, on this investment journey, the referral for bringing in any friends or family is $20 of free stock. So $20 that you can use to stocks is good. It's better than nothing. And so depending on how many people you refer, depends on how much of that referral bonus you get applied to your account. They also have different referral rewards depending upon what you choose to do and how much you choose to invest into M1 Finance. That's a little overview of M1 Finance. I plan to do another review in the future about M1 Finance to see what my likes are or dislikes about it. So far, I like it. I have minor reservations about it, but it's nothing negative. It's just personal preference on how the software or how the software is designed or how it's set up. But overall, I love it. I'm using it every day. And what I want to do is I want to start out on this journey. As you can see, I have around $230 invested in my M1 Finance account, and I just started a couple of weeks ago. And so I plan on adding a little bit of money every month, maybe $100, maybe $200, $300 to this account every single month to see how it can grow. I set this M1 Finance account up to maximize returns on dividends. So all the initial stocks that I have in my M1 Finance portfolio are all dividend paying stocks. And the majority of companies pay out dividends on a quarterly basis. And so I'll be looking at that, and I'll be looking at how much how many dividend payouts I get and how much I get from dividends every single month and every single year based on how this portfolio is set up. I love the fact that I can reinvest my dividends through the M1 Finance app. They will automatically reinvest the dividends for me if I so choose to do that and utilize that feature. So I think that's a wonderful feature for M1 Finance to have, where you can just go ahead and any contributions you make to your account and any dividends that you get paid can be reinvested right back into the account to capitalize on that compound interest. And so thank you for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about different streams of income, multiple streams of income that you can create to make your investment and your future better financially. Thank you for watching and have a great day.